Good day. Today I am going to show you the video installation of Windows Server 2016. So first, let's launch the browser and find the link of Windows Server 2016 ISO download. Let's download the English version, the 64-bit edition. While we are waiting, we can open the VMware workstation. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Windows Server ISO file earlier. So, let's just continue to the creation. Click the Create a New Virtual Machine, then Typical. I will install the operating system later. Click Next. So let's choose the Microsoft Windows. Choose the location folder. Then click Next. So the recommended size is 60 GB, so let's store it. Click Next. And let's finish. Now, the virtual machine was created. We can edit the hardware settings. As you can see, there are multiple hardware settings that we can edit. So, let's insert the ISO file that we have downloaded. There are also additional options, then just click OK. Now we can run the virtual machine. Now, let's choose the language, which is English US, then click Next. Install now. Then we will choose the standard version of desktop, which has a GUI. Click Next. Then agree to the agreement. Click Next. Now, we will install the custom, which is the Windows version only. Let's divide the partition into two, and let's format the primary. Click Next. Now let's wait for it to be finished. Now, we will set up the admin account. So, we will provide the password. So, finally, our Windows Server 2016 administrator account was created. We can now log in. Is the Windows Server 2016. The first thing we have to do is to change the time and date, the region, and everything else up to date, so there will be no problem.